Ever wondered how designers get those perfectly aligned layouts in Canva without dragging guides around forever? In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to create a clean grid for lines in just a couple of clicks. No guesswork, no hassle. Open the Canva project you're working on. At the very top left of your screen, click File. This menu is where Canva hides a bunch of useful tools that most people don't even realize exist. From the drop-down, scroll until you see Settings and select it. Inside Settings, look for the option called Add Guides. This is where the magic happens. Click Add Guides and Canva will give you a few preset grid layouts. For a fast and clean setup, choose the 3x3 grid. The moment you click it, your canvas gets divided into 9 perfectly even sections. These guides make lining up shapes, text, or images incredibly precise. If you want more control, you can head back to the same Add Guides area and tweak the grid by adding or moving guides wherever you need them. That flexibility lets you create custom spacing or symmetry for more detailed layouts. And that's it. You've just added a professional looking grid to your design in under a minute. Whether you're building a social post, poster, planner, or layout heavy graphic, guides will keep everything balanced and consistent. If this helped you, stick around for more easy Canva tips that save time and make your designs look polished without any stress. Thanks for watching and happy designing.